Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and see again I am back to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 12 Lecture number 2 means part 2 of the Chapter 12 Festivals. So in previous video we have taught you about the festivals and the religious festivals. So just take a short look at what we have learned in lecture number 2. Festival is what? That we all celebrate festivals, and festivals are the time of joy and celebrations. In festival time, people wear new clothes, eat special food and visit their friends and families. In an earlier chapter, like we read about that how we have fun with our families during the festivals time. So different festivals are celebrated at different times of the year. So we celebrate different types of festivals on at different months on a year or for the year. There are two main kinds of festivals which celebrated through the year in India. The first is religious festivals and the second is harvest festivals. Now the religious festival is what? Like Eid, Diwali, Eid, then Christmas, Guru Purv, then lots of others. So these all is called religious festivals. Then the harvest festival like Onam, Bihu, then we have Pongal, Lohri. These all is called what? Harvest festivals. So religious festival is what? India is a land of many religions. There are Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Parsis and Jains. So these all are the people of many religions. So they all lived in India. People of all these religions have their special days which they celebrate with their family and members. So these all the religious they have what? They have a special days for which they celebrate these all day special days with their family and friends. Like that, first of all is like Diwali. Diwali is what? It is celebrated by Hindus and it is also known as the festival of lights. People pray to Goddess Lakshmi. They decorate their houses with diyas and lamps in Diwali, and in fact they used to light the firecrackers, but it's a very bad because with the help of firecrackers it can produce the air pollution, noise pollution. So it's better that we can avoid to burning the crackers. In Diwali, people wear the new clothes and exchange sweets and gifts with friends. Next, second religious festival is Eid. So Eid is celebrated by Muslims. People go to mosques and offer prayers. It is means on the mosques the people are gone and then they offer the prayers, they read the namaz and then they meet and wish each other Eid Mubarak. Then they hug each other and they just wish to each other Eid Mubarak. Eid is celebrated at the end of Ramzan. It is celebrated when it is celebrated at the end of Ramzan. Ramzan is what? The holy month of fasting when Muslims keep a fast for 30 days. It is the holy month, means the fasting, 30 days fasting. It is the holy month of Muslims where they keep the fasting for at least 30 days. People wear new clothes and meet their family and friends in these Eid time. In fact, they make a sevai on these days because this is a very special dish for the Muslims. Next, page number 30, Guru Purv. Guru Purv is a religious festival of Sikhs. It is what? It is also religious festivals of Sikhs who celebrate the birthdays of their gurus on these days. So Guru Purv is what? It is also religious festivals to whose religious festival of Sikh. In these days, the people they are celebrated the birthday of their gurus on this day. The birthday of their gurus on this day. They decorate their houses and lights. You can see on your right side picture is there that that Gurudwara has just decorated. In fact, in these days, in the Guru Parv means the people they decorate their houses with the lights. People go to Gurudwaras and offer prayers and services. Services like langar is there, mean free. They are just giving the meals. They just eat. They just cook the food, and then they just offer the food to the poor people, to all the people to eat, because it's like it is like a langar. So in these days, what the people decorate their house with lights. People go to Gurudwara and offers prayers and services. They wear new clothes and meet their family and friends. So in these days, what the people they wear the new clothes and meet their families and friends. So Guru Parv is what? It is also a religious festival which is celebrated by the Sikhs. On which occasion? Because the birth of their gurus, the Guru Nanak Jayantis. Next is what? Next religious festival is Christmas. So we all know that the Christmas, it is celebrated on the month of December, and we are celebrated the Christmas on 25th December. So it is religious festival of Christians. So Christmas is what? It is a religious festival of Christians and is celebrated every year on 25th December. And the Christmas is what? It is celebrated every year on 25th December. The date has not changed, also the month, because it is fixed. So this what? It is celebrated every month on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ, because the Christians, their God is Jesus Christ. So they what? It is a religious festival of the Christians, and they celebrated this festival every year on 25th December as the birth of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ is the God of the Christians. On 24th December, people celebrate Christmas Eve. Means on 24th, means before one day, the people celebrate the Christmas Eve. The Christian, they celebrate the Christmas Eve. Christians go to the church and offer prayers. So on Christmas Day, the Christians, the Christians people, they go to the church and offers prayers. They decorate their house. On Christmas Day, the Christians what? They decorate their houses. A Christmas tree is also decorated on this day. So on Christmas Day, the Christmas tree is also decorated. You can see that in page number 60 on your left side, that a Christmas is celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ. How the Christmas tree is decorated. So these all is done on the birthday of Jesus Christ on the Christmas Day, which we celebrate on 25th December. Children believe that Santa Claus, the Christians, they believe that what? Santa Claus will comes on Christmas Eve and gives presents to them. So the people believes that on 25th December, like the Santa Claus is what? They just comes on the Christmas Eve. Christmas is when? Before the Christmas one day, like Christmas Eve on 24th December. So they think that on 24th December the Santa Claus will come and they will give the presents to give. Presents means they can give the gifts to them. So the harvest festivals like Pongal, Onam, Bihu, Lohri, that we will see in the next class, means in the next class. So for that, please you can read the harvest festival also, and the today's topic also that I have explained you in the online class, like the religious festival and festivals. So if anybody asks with that what is religious festival, give the example of religious festival, and you will say Eid, Diwali, Christmas, then Guru Parv. These all is what? It's a religious festival. So please just after finishing the online class, read your book, and you can till chapter 11. If you have not completed, then please complete it. It's your homework. Please use the time, don't waste the time. Till that, thank you and have a nice day. Again, I will back to teach you the next topic. So after finishing the online class, please read your book and you can read the next topic also. Thank you and have a nice day, and please stay at home.